Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this fourth part of modeling the teapot, also as you can see we have got this great shape of the realistic teapot or coffee pot. Also I will show you some tips I have covered along this tutorial. Also we have got this nice and clean topology with no shading issues and no stretched and pinched parts. That's very amazing. So let me switch to Studio Mountcap as shown here. This cover is from another collection as shown here. We have this collection. You can click over here to hide it collection, and the second collection we have the body of the teapot. Top key to switch to edit mode as shown here, and you have the great topology of this model. I have modeled the inner part using extrude, just extrude and scaling tools as shown here, and here is the bottom of our teapot as shown here, the spout for the spout. I added some rope cuts over there, something shrank, and making the tip of the spout. Also for the handle you should add some loop cuts, the lid and the shown here. I modeled also the internal sections like these. The base, we need to add some loop cuts on this base, and we have created a nice and clean topology. Just you can set it to level 2 for subdivision surface modifier. So let's hide this. You can rename it also in this collection. This is called the body teapot. Hit enter. Also, let me hide it. Click on this I button and click on this button also. Tap to object mode. Let's enable the subdivision surface modifier as shown here. Concerning the lid of the teapot, I have modeled it also like this. I think it's a great topology. No need for more improvement, just do it like this. So let's rename it. I think lid cover teapot. Then hit enter to rename it. Renaming the objects and 3D models and put them in some collections. This will be so good to helping you when switching between object mode and edit mode. Also, let's hold down the Alt and H to unhide. And finally, we have created this great topology. As shown here. Thanks for watching.